In recent years, with the increasing utilization rate of waste recycling, packaging machine as the core equipment, market demand continues to surge. However, behind the rapid expansion of the industry, a large number of small workshops lacking technology have flooded in. The packaging machine seems simple. In fact, it involves hydraulic systems, electrical control, and mechanical structures, multi-domain technology. But there is a lack of unified production standards, causing a large number of small and medium-sized enterprises to imitate clumsily. Poor quality hydraulic oil, simplified cylinder sealing structure, frequent oil leakage, and insufficient pressure during equipment operation. Even accidents may occur. Recycle bin manager Lee revealed, once bought a low-quality packaging machine for the sake of cheapness. After using it for 3 months, it was shut down due to an explosion in the hydraulic system. The manufacturer has not responded, resulting in heavy losses. The editor reminds you here, for your personal safety, please purchase machines produced by our legitimate manufacturers. Safety is no small matter. Only legitimate manufacturers can provide legitimate guarantees. Follow us for more mechanical knowledge.